Hello, friends. I am Dr. Barbie Wasson with Riverpoint Family Acupuncture, and this is Riverpoint's podcast where we get to the point on all things acupuncture, health, and vitality in the River Valley. Today, we're talking about something that many of you ladies think about on a regular basis, your skin. Specifically, why starting cosmetic acupuncture and microneedling early, like in spring or early summer, or a couple of months before major events where you care about how you look, changes everything. If you want healthier, firmer, brighter skin this summer, timing does matter. Real skin change takes time. Collagen production, tissue repair, improved circulation, and texture renewal do not happen overnight, no matter how persuasive the marketing is. Don't let them fool you. Cosmetic acupuncture and microneedling both work by nudging your body's own repair system. That means results build gradually and naturally. When you start earlier, you're not just hoping for a miracle right before your event. You are giving your skin time to actually remodel. So let's talk about that. A lot of people wait until a week before a wedding, reunion, or vacation to suddenly care about their skin. They call the clinic breathless. Do you have anything I can do before next Saturday to fix all of this? And sure, a single treatment can give you a nice boost, or we can explore nanoneedling for a quick and temporary skin upgrade. You can look more refreshed, less puffy, and a little more glowy even. But most true skin improvements require a deeper level of biology to do its job. Your body needs time to create new collagen and elastin, calm inflammation, rebalance hydration, and renew surface cells. Quick fixes can give temporary brightness or plumping, but they rarely change the underlying tissue in a lasting way. If you want skin that looks better without leaning on heavy makeup, filters, or strategic lighting, a little planning goes a really long way. Late spring and early summer tend to be a sweet spot. Life hasn't fully descended into summer chaos yet, but you can see the weddings, vacations, pool days, and photo moments coming on the horizon. Starting now gives you room to work on tone, fine lines, texture, puffiness, jawline definition, under-eye dullness, acne scarring, and overall radiance, instead of trying to cram all of that into one terrified week before an event. Don't do that. Don't do that. It also lets us create a thoughtful treatment series instead of, okay, you have 4 days. Let's do what we can and then both cross our fingers that you don't bruise. See why it's better to do it sooner? When it comes to skin, consistency beats intensity every time. Your skin tends to respond best to repeated, appropriate stimulation with enough space in between for repair. That's what supports steady collagen remodeling and healthier tissue function, rather than a big spike and then nothing. This is why treatment plans, even the simple ones, usually produce better, more stable results than random whenever I remember my appointments. So what do these treatments actually do? Let's start with cosmetic acupuncture, my personal favorite intervention. Cosmetic acupuncture supports the skin and the internal patterns that show up on your face. That might mean stress-related tension in the face and jaw, poor sleep that is written all over your skin, puffiness and fluid retention, dull circulation, hormonal flare-ups, and overall vitality. The fine needles in the face help increase local circulation and signal tissue repair. At the same time, points on the body help calm the nervous system and support internal balance. Many patients tell me they leave feeling like someone turned the volume down on their stress and turned the light up on their skin at the same time. That combination is the goal. Microneedling works a little differently. While the mechanism of treatment is kind of the same, you hit more areas, but at a more shallow depth. We create very tiny controlled microchannels in the skin that prompt a repair response at the surface. Your body responds by laying down new collagen and elastin over time. We often use microneedling to improve fine lines, texture irregularities, enlarged pores, acne scars, mild laxity, and uneven tone. The goal is not to give you a different face. The goal is to have skin that looks healthier because the tissue underneath is stronger, better organized, better nourished, and functioning more like it did when it was younger. These two approaches pair really, really well together because they address different layers of the same story. Microneedling focuses more on tissue remodeling and surface texture, and cosmetic acupuncture works on circulation, muscle tone, expression patterns, fluid balance, and puffiness, stress reduction, and overall system health that inevitably shows up on your skin. In the simplest terms, microneedling is more shallow, and cosmetic acupuncture is a little deeper. They are each great on their own, but you get a more complete effect when you use both together. And together, they create a comprehensive natural strategy for aging well and looking like a rested, more vibrant version of yourself, not a filtered one. Now, let's talk products for a second. And everybody who knows me knows I'm a bit of a skincare junkie. High quality skincare does matter. Sunscreen absolutely matters. Hydration matters. Never going to say they don't, but products live on the surface. If collagen production is slowing, circulation is sluggish, stress is high, and sleep is poor, creams and serums can only do so much, and they will be fighting an uphill battle. The best results usually come when we improve the tissue underneath, support the systems that feed and repair that tissue, and then use products as support and prevention and not as the entire plan. So, if you have a wedding, vacation, reunion, photo shoot, or just want to feel more comfortable barefaced this summer, starting earlier, around May or a couple months before any of those events, gives you some breathing room. It allows time for an initial consultation where we actually look at your skin, your health, your timeline, and your goals. It allows us to create a customized plan instead of guessing. It allows multiple sessions before key events, better cumulative results, and far less can you fit me in tomorrow panic. At River Point Family Acupuncture, cosmetic acupuncture and microneedling are designed with one goal in mind: natural, healthy-looking results that still look like you while also improving your overall health, because healthy is sexy no matter what stage of life you are in. If you're ready to invest in the skin that looks refreshed because it's functioning better, not just covered better, I would love to help you map out what that could look like this summer for you. That is it for this week's River Points podcast with Wishes of Wellness. I'm Dr. Barbie Wasson, head tissue remodeling and renovation expert, cheering on your collagen and your calendar so they're finally working on the same timeline.